Hey y'all, it's Nichelle and I'm back with another video. I haven't said that in so long, but I'm gonna take y'all along with me to my trip to Vegas. So before we get started with this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the fam fo. Even though that was the same thing, but let's get it. So it is like 7 in the morning. It's like 7 something in the morning, or about to be, and basically I haven't like finished packing. So I have to leave to go to Vegas for 2 weeks for something for my job. But in the meantime, I'm still gonna be there, you know, chilling and whatnot. So I went shopping yesterday. This is gonna be like my little travel cup. Isn't it cute? And then I literally got all of my snacks, like all of my snacks. But I pretty much have majority of my clothes in here. The only thing that I don't have in here is my shoes, and that's what I need to put in there, plus my snacks and all of that. But I also have to run to Walmart because my dumb self forgot freaking headphones. I need headphones for the plane. So I gotta go get that and a neck pillow. So I'm about to go hop in the shower, brush my teeth and all that good stuff, and then we're gonna go to Walmart. So BRB. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. I showered, I brushed my teeth, I did everything that I needed to do. I have on my travel clothes, and I am on my way to Walmart. So I need to go there and get some personal items, along with getting a neck pillow, along with getting some headphones. And it's about like 7:35-ish, so I'm gonna make this a quick run, and then I'll be back at home to make sure I got everything so I can go ahead and go to the airport. So I'll see you guys when I get there. Okay guys, I am bad at filming at the airport because I have really bad anxiety, and when it comes to the airport, see, I'm breaking out, so I'm just been stressing. But I made it to my gate. My gate is right over there somewhere at A2, and I am flying to Las Vegas. So I am here, now that I'm chilling, I'm here because I'm supposed to be training in Las Vegas. So I'm gonna make a whole separate video on like life updates and all that other stuff, but for now I just don't have time. So yeah, I work for the government, and I'm being sent to go to training in a different state. So I'm going to Las Vegas, and I will be there for 2 weeks. So this is my first time flying on a plane like by myself, so I'm like a nervous wreck right now. The last time that I flew on a plane was like maybe 6 or 7 years ago, so, and it was with my family. So now, like, that I'm completely by myself, I'm like completely nervous wreck. Like, I've been crying and everything because I'm just so nervous, but I feel like everything's gonna be fine. But I cannot wait to get to Vegas. This will be my first time going to Vegas. I never thought that my first time would be for training, but it's okay. So, but I gotta go back. I gotta go back to Vegas. I haven't even been there, but I just know I'm gonna go back. But I'm gonna be leaving soon. It's 11:03. I'll be leaving in like an hour. I don't leave until like 12:50 something. So that's when I'll be leaving. I'm not sure what time we'll be boarding. We'll probably be boarding at like maybe 12. I don't know, but I'm super nervous, y'all. But y'all just pray for me, and I don't even know, but I'm so excited to be back on YouTube, y'all. I took a long hiatus, but yeah, and thank y'all for the ones who kept subscribing, y'all. Like, y'all kept subscribing while I wasn't even on. Like, that makes me feel like, that makes me feel warm and fuzzy inside, because I'm just like, man, I haven't been posting all this other stuff, and look at y'all just been joining the fam, period. But okay, I'm about to sit here and chill out, look at some videos or something to calm me down, and we'll see y'all in Vegas. next day, I want to apologize because let me tell y'all why. So yesterday there was so much going on. Like when I say there was so much going on, let me see, the light's better over here. There was so much going on yesterday. Like literally when we got to the airport, we had to find our shuttle. So we were supposed to get a shuttle service that was supposed to come and get us. Yeah, I'm looking real bold right now. Don't mind me. But we were supposed to get a shuttle service that was supposed to pick us up. And the one that our job sent us for, they weren't trying to have them pick us up until like 6 p.m. And we landed around like 2. So who about to wait all that time for a shuttle? So I called the hotel and they sent us transportation, and it was private transportation. She said he was supposed to be there at 3. This man did not get there until after 3, like 3:30. So we almost waited for like, I want to say over an hour and a half for the shuttle. So then we finally got on the shuttle, y'all. And after we got on the shuttle, that's when we rode here. Well, not the shuttle, but the transportation guy took us here. And so after he took us here, y'all, it was so hot. And I was supposed to take a tour of the room, but I just didn't because it was so freaking hot. I wasn't even thinking. I haven't even ate. I haven't had any water. Like, it was really bad. So I was just like, I'll just show them tomorrow and talk to them tomorrow because, you know, and I had called my family, let them know, you know, that I made it and stuff like that. So I was just like, you know, I'm gonna show them tomorrow. So I'm gonna show y'all the room that they gave me, and don't mind my bed because I did sleep in it. So I'm gonna show you real quick. So this is the door right here. So it's a touch little unlock thing. Then you walk into the bathroom just to, you know, get a little bathroom. Nothing major. Here's me. We got the coffee stuff here. You got your soap, everything here. That's my bag for my personal soap. Got the trash, the toilet, you know, got some hooks here. And then just, you know, normal looking shower. Nothing too fancy. So you step out the bathroom and here is a closet. So open up the closet. Nothing but, you know, some hangers. And I'm actually glad they got, you know, an ironing board in here because I need to iron my uniform. So yeah, and they got hangers and an extra blanket. So they do have that in there. Sorry I'm out of breath, y'all. I don't know why I'm out of breath, but I'm out of breath. And then here's me, you know, little mirror. And then I don't know why, but they gave me 2 queen beds. So, but I don't care because 1 week I'm gonna stay here and then another week I'm gonna be here. So yeah, I got 2 queen beds. So they're pretty basic. You know, nothing major over here. Got a desk over there. Here's the TV. I have a dresser here. That's my bag there. And then I have a mini fridge. And I also have a microwave, and that's where I could put the ice at. And then also come over here. This is where I control the air. Right now, I don't have nothing on right now because it's pretty neutral in here, but I'm probably turning it back on in a minute because it was hot outside. And here is my view. If you look close enough, but back there, that's where like all the mountains are. I don't know if I could like zoom in for you, but yeah, that's where all the mountains are. There's a Starbucks over there. There's also like a nail shop over there. And then there on this side, there's like a restaurant somewhere over here that's within walking distance. So it's pretty cool. You know, you see the trees or whatnot. So that's my room. But I would probably like sit down with you all and like tell y'all in the updated video like why I'm here and stuff like that later. But for now, I'm just gonna show you what I'm doing. I'm not exactly sure when we're gonna be going to the strip because I have no idea, y'all. Like, I really don't know. We're still trying to figure out like what's going on with work and stuff like that. So, but we are gonna go to the strip. I promise we are. Like, that is a plan. So for now, I'm just gonna be chilling into my room because I don't have to be in class until 2:30, and I don't have to get picked up until 1:30. So, and all I have to do is iron my clothes and get up and go because I took my shower last night. So I'm just about to be chilling. You heard me? Because I have a room all to myself, y'all. All to myself. But yes, I'll talk to y'all soon. Yeah, I'll just talk to y'all later. Bye. Okay, y'all. So I am here, Las Vegas, downtown on the strip. I'm about to show y'all everything we about to do today. But y'all see all these tall buildings? Alright, we about to walk around now. But yeah, welcome to another day. So we're about to start walking around and going on the strip. But it's about to be so fun. I've never been here before, but all this stuff is beautiful and it's hot. But just stay tuned, y'all. Stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so we have been to a few places. We've been to a sushi restaurant. We done went to go see the Felician. As you saw, we did the little canola ride. Now we're about to go to Planet Hollywood. So Planet Hollywood, I've never been. It's another hotel. So we're about to go in there and walk around